Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to turn a video into a photo on CapCut. If you've ever wanted to turn a video frame into a photo using CapCut, here's a quick and easy way to do it. First, open your project and find the exact moment in the video you want to turn into a photo. Once you've selected that frame, tap on it and look for the freeze option. It's right beside reverse. After pressing freeze, CapCut will automatically create a short frozen frame, essentially converting that exact moment into a 3-second still image. You can delete the rest of the clips if you only want the photo section to remain, and just like that, you've turned your video into a picture. You can even extend a frozen frame's duration if needed or export it as an image for other edits. For extra polish, try adding filters, text, or effects to make your new photos stand out. It's simple, fun, and a creative way to capture that perfect frame right from your video. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.